Replacing just one lost AirPod. Is it possible?
Hello there. Today we are going to address a common question among Apple AirPod users. Can you purchase just one AirPod to replace a lost one? It's not uncommon for us to misplace or lose one AirPod, and the thought of having to buy a whole new set can be daunting. Let's dig into this issue and provide a clear answer.
Can you buy a single AirPod?
So the question on everyone's mind is, can you buy just one AirPod? The answer is yes. Apple provides a replacement service where you can purchase a single AirPod. If you've lost one AirPod, you don't have to buy a new pair. You can simply replace the one you've lost, which is great news for everyone who has ever found themselves with only one AirPod left.
How does the replacement process work?
The process is quite straightforward. You will need to contact Apple support and they will guide you through the steps of the process. You'll need to provide the serial number for your AirPods, which can be found on the original box, the receipt or invoice, or even in the settings of a connected Apple device. After verifying your details, they will arrange for the replacement. However, it's worth noting that the replacement is not free of charge, even if your AirPods are still under warranty. The cost will depend on your specific situation and the model of your AirPods.
Can you pair the replacement AirPod with the existing one?
Yes, you absolutely can. The replacement AirPod will pair seamlessly with your existing AirPod and your charging case. You'll be able to enjoy your music or podcasts in stereo once again, without any hassle. So, there you have it. If you've lost an AirPod, don't worry, you can replace just the one. The replacement process through Apple support is straightforward, and the replacement AirPod will pair with your existing one with no issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in addressing your concerns about losing one AirPod. Keep your music going, and take care of those AirPods.